There's convergence of technologies happening now with AI and robots. There's about to be 5G come in, and the Internet of Things is something that is upon us right now. A lot of people don't realise how close we are to massive change in our society. It's going to affect every single industry. Practically one of the things that you're going to be most excited about in the next 10 years is you're just going to be getting your smoko delivered by drone. You can be up a tree and you can order your smoker and they can bring it to you in the tree. Right. Drone deliveries are already happening. They're already a thing. I think we'll have fully electric chainsaws with sensors so they physically can't cut humans. There's already saws out there in other industries that have sensors that once they touch human flesh, they stop. And I don't think it'll be far behind our industry having that. I think we'll have self-sharpening chains. Laser saw technology will start to phase out chainsaws. Chippers with infrared, so you can't put physical limbs in them. Artificial intelligence will be integrated into our job management system. All the jobs that we have, the most efficient way of doing them, the most efficient crew, will be determined by AI, won't be determined by me. 3D printers, so say we're here one afternoon and we're missing a part for a chainsaw, we won't have to go up to the shops and buy that. We won't have to go down to GYC or Ramsgate Mowers. We'll just punch it into the 3D printer and you'll have your part in a minute printed out. I'm thinking of scanning technology so we can turn up to a job in the morning as part of our toolbox talk. We scan the tree and it'll tell us where the defects are in the tree and what capacity our rigging system will be able to load and where to put our rigging points. We'll be using our mulch for renewable energy. So there's already parts of the world that are using this biomass mulch and timber that's being used to produce bioenergy. It's happening in the UK already. I'm often thinking further ahead and seeing what's out there that can help this business and help us safety-wise. As a business owner and leader in this business, I want to be at the forefront of adapting because businesses that don't adapt disappear.